Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing. This is the Peter Nitz small Libby tote in cognac. So I've been wanting this bag for months and months and months. Back in April and July 4th they had a coupon 10% off, so I quickly purchased this bag. So this box is beautiful, it's amazing, it's very sturdy and high quality. I mean, this is one of the nicest boxes I've ever seen. And look at this glossy inside. So this is the first time I'm seeing a Peter Nitz bag in person, and I just can't wait. I'm super excited. Shipping was really fast. It got here literally in a few days after I placed the order. And look at this gorgeous paper. This looks very luxurious already. This dust bag, it feels like micro suede, and look at that branding. Okay, let me see if there's anything else in here. Oh, there is. So this came with a free catch-all thing. I didn't get to pick the color, but this is pretty nice. It almost matches the color of the bag that I ordered. All right, let's take a look. Okay, so this is the Arosa calf in cognac, and this leather is very similar to Barenia leather. The size is pretty small. I'm glad I didn't go for the mini because I was debating between the mini and the small, but I think the small is going to be perfect. Okay, so let's see here. I kind of love this grain here, some natural marks on this bag. I love the contrast stitching. And by the way, that's Flash. You can say hi. What's this? Oh, here is a strap. Okay. Let's take a look. I'm just too excited, so I'm sorry. I could not wait. I just got it. It just arrived at the door, and I just wanted it. I just wanted to see what this was all about. It looks like it's adjustable. Hopefully it's good enough for my petite frame and it's not going to be too long, because that's always an issue for me. Inside is suede lining with a leather base bottom. Let me see. Okay, so it looks like that. I can see some marks on it, but that's all right. Here it's got a little stamp, made in Romania, and on this side it shows 2025, which is the year it's made. Very cool. Has some, I think it's gold, kind of like brass hardware. I can't really tell. And the bottom looks very nice. Okay, I'm gonna have a full review of this bag coming up soon. I'll just give you guys a closer look. I'm sorry if this video wasn't very good. I was just too excited and I wanted to do the unboxing right this second. So I'll have a full review coming up. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.